Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace, mercy and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, of Almighty God be on all of you. Today I am going to discuss about those people who are suffering from cold, cough, stomachache or headache. They also exempted from fasting. Those people who are ill, they are exempted from fasting because Allah says in the Quran in Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse number 185, if you are ill or on a journey, then the prescribed number of days should be made up later on, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants to put you into easy, into facility. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not want to put you into difficulties. That does not mean that if you are suffering from cold, cough, stomachache or headache, you should not fast. If you are ill and you can fast, then it is compulsory for you to fast. The only time you are exempted if you find difficulties in fasting due to illness, or if you fast it will increase your illness, or if you fast it will deteriorate your health, or it's compulsory for you to take medicine due to illness. Otherwise, small issues, small lesion like cold, cough, stomachache, headache, it is compulsory for you to fast. And the reason Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala exempted these people, so that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not put a burden. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran in Surah Baqarah chapter number 2 verse number 195 that do not make your own hand the cause of your own destruction. If you know that you fast and it will cause loss, it will cause deteriorate, then it is like killing yourselves, and Allah says it is prohibited. If I know that if I fast and it will deteriorate my health, then it is prohibited to fast. And the similar message is repeated in Surah Nisa chapter 4 verse number 29, kill not yourselves, for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is most merciful. If I fast and it will cause major damage to my health, it's like killing myself, suiciding, and it is prohibited in Islam to cause major damage to health. And the mainly those people who are exempted because they find difficulties due to illness or it will deteriorate their health. Otherwise, small illness, it's compulsory for them to fast.